फ्रेंड्स, इस मी उर्मिला अग्रवाल। वेलकम टू बैक टेक्निकल ओनली चैनल। और आज के हमारे वीडियो का टॉपिक है व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ द पाइवट टेबल एंड हाउ कैन वी क्रिएट। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल गो टू द in the insert option and then we click on the pivot table. Now you can see here I am already created a table. The question is here, what is the use of the pivot table? Pivot table is a powerful tool that is used for consolidating, summarizing and presenting our data. So when I click on the pivot table option, this kind of the wizard will be appear. Now I am selecting here range of table and new worksheet. Now click on OK. Now left side you can see there is a pivot table and right side you can see fields. Now I'm selecting here row label in name. Just select my field here name and then right click here and selecting the row label. Okay, after that I am using here column label. You can use according to your requirement. I am using here designation. Select the designation and then you can see here columns are here, and now I am use here value. I am using here in the value option sum of salary. Now you can see here all the content in a summarized form. Okay, all the consolidated data. If you want to be particular data remove from here, just to select in this and then remove it and click on selected data and then click on OK. Then you can be the particular field and column will be removed. Now you want to be again, just select your content and click on OK. Then you can got again your data is there. So you can see in this pivot table that your content is easily consolidated and summarized way, and it shows the grand total of your salary also here. You can also check your previous table and you can check here again it. So I'm just going the sheet 1 and then you can see here your previous table and content is also here. What is going in the sales and executive manager, production manager, and their values also here. Now just see here in this complete summarize your pivot table here. So friends, you can easily do the pivot table and you easily understand what is the use of the pivot table here. So next topic is today we will discuss about the data validation. What is the use of the data validation? Data validation is used to restrict the cell entries within a particular specific range. किसी एक particular specific range पे लगाए जाने restrictions के लिए हम data validations का use करते हैं. So first I'm using here ना, go to data option and selecting the data validation in the setting tab. Then this window will be appear. I'm selecting here the value in the whole number. Now between I'm giving the range particular 20,000 and maximum I'm giving here 21,000. Now just click on OK. Input message में आपको if your data is valid, if your value is correct between your range given in minimum and maximum, then this content and this message will be showing here. I am writing here hi valid data and this is in a input wrong. अगर आपको यहाँ पे more than 21,000 कोई वैल्यू डालते हैं या less than 20,000 डालते हैं, then this wrong or invalid data will be shows here. So just after that giving your data and message, then just click on OK here. Now you can see already high and valid input. If I am giving here na more than 21,000, then you can see here na invalid data. Okay, again I am writing here. Okay, now you can see there is an invalid data. If I am giving the between the range of 20 to 21,000, then it's not correct. Okay, now it's not easily taking. If I'm again changing here data less than or more than 20 and 21,000 between the range, then it will give again an error is there. So I hope guys you can easily understand how can we use and how can recheck again and again our data is there. I hope it will be very helpful to you. If you like my video and channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Please press bell icon.